In this video, we'll take a look at how to enable payments via PayPal in your SimplyBook.me account. Let's start by navigating to the Custom Features page, enabling Accept Payments if you haven't enabled it previously, and navigating to its settings. Click the Payment System Settings button, choose the PayPal tab, and click the Activate button to enable it. Input your PayPal business account email into the respective field. If you want to use refunds, recurring, vaulted, or card payments, use the link icon to navigate to your PayPal account to retrieve the necessary API credentials. Log in and navigate to your account settings. Here, click Update in the API Access section. Scroll down to the MVP SOAP API Integration tab, since this is the communication protocol we are using, and click Manage API Credentials. Click Agree and Submit, then show the API username, password, and signature so you can copy them to the respective fields back in SimplyBook.me. In order to use recurring or vaulted payments, it will also be necessary to reach out to PayPal to request that they allow reference transactions for your account. Once enabled, you can check the box for reference transactions. Make sure to save changes once you're done. We encourage you to use standard PayPal since it supports recurring and vaulted payments. If you want to use PayPal checkout, you can activate it in SimplyBook.me and use the link icon to go to PayPal checkout. Click on the developer link, switch to live mode, navigate to the Apps and Credentials page, click Create App, and copy the keys back to the SimplyBook.me interface. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.